Hi guys, this is Professional Just Gaming Clocks and Trains here with another clock video. This is a Ghostbusters Cuckoo clock. I got this for my birthday back in 2023. I had it hanging up here for a while, but I never felt to make a video on it. And I have another clock that I could probably show y'all real quick. Here's the other one I have. It's a Christmas clock, and I know I need to clean off this dresser because I've been doing some work. Well, I haven't really been doing work, but I've been doing some stuff. Like I had this clock somewhere else. I had it stored somewhere else. I had a family member keep it for me because I had some stuff going on. So I had a family member keep this clock along with that clock and along with that one. So basically 3 clocks in this video. As you guys can see, it's nice and sunny outside. This clock does play music on the hours. I got this back, I think I got this for Christmas about probably a year ago. No, probably about 2-3 years ago, and I had this one for a while. I need to see if I can get it. I need to see if I can get it running. Every now and then the pendulum will swing, but can't get the second hand to move. See, and the pendulum is going to slow down. If I put y'all closer, and if I go up, you can see the thing that holds the pendulum. But anyway, back to this clock. It's not 4 o'clock yet, but I'm gonna set it for 4 o'clock so y'all can hear it.